Hello friends, in this video I'll tell you how to stay in the same cell after pressing the Enter key in Excel. Please like and subscribe and let's get started. By default in Excel, when performing an operation, namely entering a word, number or formula, when pressing the Enter key, the selection is moved and the cell below is selected. To prevent this movement from happening and we continue to work in the same cell, we can press the keyboard shortcut Ctrl-Enter and the movement doesn't happen. But if you don't like pressing additional buttons every time, you can remove the selection movement altogether. Click File, Options, Advanced, and uncheck the After pressing Enter Move Selection checkbox. Now click OK, and anytime you press the Enter key, we remain in the same cell. And that's it. Now we know more.